How to give a bed bath. To get ready to give someone a bed bath, start by gathering materials. You will need washcloths, towels, 2 wash basins, one for soapy water and one for rinsing, soap, no tears or no rinse shampoo, body lotion for dry skin, a waterproof mat or sheet to keep the bed dry, and a table or stand to hold the materials. Adjust the room temperature if needed to ensure a warm and comfortable environment. Make sure that the bed is high enough so that you don't hurt your back. Place a waterproof mat or towels under the person to keep the bed dry. Also, for privacy, make sure the door is shut and the blinds or drapes are closed. Start by filling 2 basins with warm water. Use the first basin for soaping up a washcloth and wringing it out. Use the second to hold clean water for rinsing the soap off. Use the back of your hand to test the water to make sure it's not too hot. Put on gloves if you choose to wear them. Assist the person to undress as needed. Cover the person with a towel, exposing only the body parts being washed. For example, uncover an arm, wash and dry it, and then put it back under the towel. Start with the cleanest area of the body and finish with the areas that are less clean. After you wash an area, turn the washcloth so you can use a new, clean part of it for the next area. Use a new washcloth when you need one. Wash the eyelids, starting from the inside and moving out. Wash the face, ears, and neck. Wash the arms one at a time, and then the hands. Wash the chest and belly, including the belly button. To wash under skin folds, first lift and flatten the skin, and then dry the skin. Wash one leg, and then the other. Wash the feet and in between the toes. Help the person roll on their side so you can wash their backside. If you can't roll a person by yourself, get someone to help you so that you don't hurt your back. Then, help the person roll onto their back. Pour out the water and replace it with fresh, warm water. Using a new washcloth, clean the genital area first and then the rectal area. Remove gloves if you are wearing them. Change the water and wash the hair. You can use water and a no tears or no rinse shampoo. Rinse the hair with clean, warm water. When you are finished with the bath, apply a body lotion to protect the skin and keep it from becoming dry. Don't put lotion on areas that can become moist, such as under the breasts or in the folds of the groin. Provide clean clothes and assist with dressing as needed. Put away your supplies and wash your hands. Northern Illinois Hospice, first in caring for life's final months.